Google has recently launched a new app called TaskMate that let users earn money by completing simple tasks, such as taking pictures or recording short audio clips. Currently, the app is in beta and is available on the Google Play Store for Indian users. However, it can be used only via referral code. First of all, do not confuse Google TaskMate with Google Opinion Rewards, which also rewards users in the form of Play Store credit for answering certain questions. With TaskMate, you go beyond quizzing and perform actual tasks to get paid in real money. These tasks may be something like taking a photo of a nearby restaurant, answering survey questions about your preferences, or translating sentences from English to your local language. Google pays the rewards in local currency for the tasks that you complete accurately. To redeem the cash earned on Google, you will need an account with a third-party payment processor. This can be done by registering your e-wallet or account with the payment partners listed on the app like Google Pay or other UPI-based payment gateway. After linking your account, just hit the Cash Out button and withdraw your earnings in your local currency. A lot of people are currently Googling, how can I get the invitation from Google for TaskMate app? Unfortunately, Google hasn't released many TaskMate invitation codes for users to sign up. It has also put a limit on the referral code for the current users. This means the existing TaskMate user can refer up to 3 friends only.